In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Slack communities in just 5 minutes. Slack has become one of the most popular tools for team communication and collaboration, especially for remote and online groups. If you're new to Slack or simply looking to join a specific community, I'll walk you through the steps to get you started seamlessly. To begin, you'll typically need an invitation link or be invited by an existing member of the Slack community you wish to join. This is a crucial first step, as joining a Slack community often requires this direct invitation. Let's start by checking your email for this invite. Log into your email account and look for an invitation email from Slack or the community you are eager to join. It's a good idea to check your spam or promotions folders, as sometimes these invitation emails can sneak into those sections unnoticed. Once you've found the email, open it and look for the Join Slack button. This button is your gateway into the Slack community. Click on the Join Slack button, and you'll be redirected to a new page where you'll begin the account setup process. This is a straightforward step, but an important one to ensure you have access to the community spaces you intend to participate in. Next, you'll need to create your Slack account. On the page you're redirected to, you'll see an option to Create Account. Click on this option and follow the prompts to set up your account. This will usually involve entering your name, creating a password, and possibly confirming your email address. Take your time to choose a username that represents you well, as this is the name that other community members will see. Once you have successfully created your account, you will now be logged into the workspace of your new Slack community. The level of access you have within this workspace is often determined by the community administrator. You might have immediate access to channels where key discussions occur, or you might be directed to specific introductory channels for new members. Feel free to explore the channels available to you, familiarize yourself with the conversation threads, and introduce yourself if it's a part of community etiquette. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've joined a Slack community and are ready to start engaging with fellow members. Remember, navigating Slack communities is all about communication and collaboration, so take some time to learn about the specific culture and guidelines of the community you've joined. With these steps, you should be well on your way to participating in a vibrant Slack community. Thanks for joining me today, and happy connecting.